Hey, we'd like to talk to you a little bit about open house and the benefits and importance of open houses.
Yes, so one reason we like to do open houses is that a lot of buyers there who are early in the process will use an open house to just check out and see what they could actually afford. If they're a first time buyer or somebody's actually going from one price point to
Hmm.
another, like maybe a
Yeah,
downsizer or somebody's upgrading, they'll use an open house just to kind of get a feel. And when they do this, it's more of it's easier for them to come and check out your house than it is doing an obligation by calling us.
hmm,
Calling the sign or calling through the internet, they feel more obligated if they give us a call and make an appointment, but an open house is a little bit more or less a commitment. But it's just to be able kicking tires.
yeah. Actually, um, that's how a lot of buyers start the process.
Hmm.
We also see buyers using an open house as a showing. So they may be really actively out looking, and they're going to use an open house as maybe their first showing. Sometimes they may use the open house as their second showing. So they may have already seen your home,
Hmm.
but they see we have an open house scheduled. They come in the open house. They're using that as their second showing. They really don't want to telegraph they have a high level interest in your home. And so they'll come to the open house, take a look. They may bring along some family members with
Hmm.
them, some other parties that may be involved in the decision making process to get their opinion. So it's a really great way to allow access into your home and get these people to be excited about your home.
Yes, absolutely. And the other thing we find that when we're at an open house, we're able to answer any questions. Who's better off to sell your home than us, the listing agents, that know
Hmm.
all the special features about your home to be able to highlight to the buyers? And especially if they have any questions, we can answer maybe some obstacles that they might have. They're not truly obstacles. You just need a better understanding what those things are.
We also find that when we run our open houses and we run them with getting a lot of activity, um, that buyers are going to come in, they're going to see that level of activity. They'll
Mhm.
see other people in the home and they're interested in the home. That's going to prompt a sense of urgency from them. They're going to say, oh, wait a minute, other people may be liking this home. We better get our act together and get an offer in before
Mhm.
somebody else gets this home. So, open houses are also a good way to prompt urgency from buyers.
Yes, also we want to get feedback. We want to get feedback on those buyers who are coming in your home. We want to make sure that we're marketing your house correctly. So we ask them things that we like about your
Mhm.
house and what maybe they don't like about their house and what would they need to be able to put an offer in. What's those obstacles you're thinking about? So we can love to get that feedback so we can market your house correctly, maybe tweak it a little bit so we can get that house under contract.
Yeah, so we think open houses are an important part of the listing and selling
Hmm.
process of your home, and we'd love to talk to you more about how we think this strategy is going to benefit you.
Yeah, so during our listening presentation, we'll go more detail about this, but if you have any questions in between, just please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd love to go over that information with you.
That's right. So have a great day.
Take care.